Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So as you know, we are discussing understanding Windows 10 and this is third part. In second part, we discussed about some features of Windows. So today we will discuss some other features of Windows in detail. So without wasting any time, let's start. So as you can see, selecting and deselecting icons. So as I already told you, all the small pictures showing on the desktop screen are called icons. So these all are icons, but you can notice the four icons are looking same, but the one is different from that. The background color of one icon is a light colored icon. So this is a selected icon and all four are the deselecting icons. So let's discuss about selected and deselected icons in detail. So selecting an icon. To select an icon, simply click on it and it will be highlighted. So as you can see, the first icon is highlighted with a light blue color. So it is a selected icon and all other two are deselected. So to deselect the icon, it means if you have selected an icon and you want to deselect it, so you just have to click anywhere on the screen. So as soon as you click anywhere on the screen, so the selected icon will be converted to the deselected icon. Next one is arranging the desktop icons. As you arrange your study desk to make it tidy, similarly you can arrange the icons on the desktop to give it a better look. To do this, so if you want to arrange your desktop icons in a attractive way, in a organized way, so you can arrange them. So to arrange your desktop icons, you just have to right click anywhere on the screen, so it will show you this option. As you can see, it is showing many different options. I have to click on the first one, which is view option. After clicking on view option, it will show some other options like large icons, medium icons, small icons, auto arrange icons. So this time I have to click on auto arrange icons. So as soon as I click on auto arrange icons, so it will arrange all the icons in a proper manner. And if I will click on large icon, so it will change the size of icon to a large one. If I click on medium icons, so it will change it to medium size, and if I will click on the small icon, so it will change it to smaller size. So now as you can see on this screen, this is a desktop screen of a computer. Now all the apps are available everywhere on the screen. So it is not looking a attractive desktop, it is looking an unarranging desktop. So if I arrange it with the help of these settings which I told you, so it will arrange your desktop icon something like this. Now as you can see, all the icons are arranged at a proper place. Now next one is sorting the icons. Sorting the desktop icons means arranging them in a proper order. So to do this, you just have to right click. It will show all the same options, but this time you have to click on sort by option. So whenever you click on short by icon, it will show you four different options. First one is name, second one is size, third one is item type, fourth one is data modified. So if I will click on first one, so it will arrange all the icons alphabetically. Means it will arrange the icons by their names like A, B, C, D, E, etc. Second one is size. If I will click on size option, so it will arrange all the icons on the desktop according to their size. The larger file, the smaller, more smaller, etc. Next one is item type. If I will click on item type, so it will arrange according to their items. It means after clicking on item type, it will show us all the image file at a place, all the video file at another place, and all the Excel files at different place, and all the Word file at a different place. Last one is date modified. So if I will click on date modified option, so it will show all the apps according to their dates. So the older icon, newer icon, it will show all the files according to their dates in a proper sequence. So these are some useful features of Windows. So I hope it's clear now. So students, stay healthy, stay safe, and thank you so much.